Hi everyone, I'm Claudia. I'm a product designer in Evernote. This month I'm covering Federico as he is on a leave, as he just had a baby, so he's taking some family time. So let's get into this month's update for April 2025. First things first, we're talking about performance. We've had some major improvements this month in this area, especially for loading times of notes. So before, the editor was basically loaded every time a note was opened, but now we load it in the background when opening the app, which reduces a lot the opening time of each note. On iOS, 95.6% of users can load the editor in less than 1 second, which is up from the previous 76%. On Android, the difference is even higher. Now 97% users load the editor in less than 2 seconds, which is up from the previous 69%. In addition to that, on Android, both opening and creating a note became much faster. We had an increase of 23% for opening notes and 15% for creating notes. Another improvement regarding performance has been on the notebook list, which now loads much faster. Before, we were running lots of queries, which we migrated to one single query, increasing the loading time by 2x, and also saw a 50% reduction in CPUs used. On another note, we finally completed the migration to RENT. If you don't remember what RENT is, it's our new metadata sync engine that allows better syncing of content between sessions and across devices. We also have a full video on RENT, so if you want to know more on how it works, we will link it in the description. With this last piece of our work on RENT, we were able to improve the backend infrastructure. The effects of these might not be directly observable from you as a user, but in the long term, this will have a great impact on collecting better insights to improve reliability, and it will make it quicker to develop new features as we removed legacy and outdated code. Moving on to a highly requested feature, we also recently released the possibility to request access to a note. And how it works is basically that once you click on a note link, it will be opened on your browser. And after signing up or logging in with your account, if that account doesn't have access, you will see something like this page, which allows you to either switch accounts if you, for example, logged in with the wrong one. By clicking on the request access button, instead, we will send an email to the note owner, notifying them to give access to your account. Another small improvement that some users have been really happy about is the new undo button when moving a note. Basically, sometimes you might do this action by mistake, and while before was quite cumbersome to change that action that you made, now you have a shortcut to do that immediately with the undo button. This improvement has already been released for when moving notes, and we are currently also working on adding it for when you delete a note. Now moving on to a couple of improvements regarding AI. The first one is we added a new option in the AI edit menu, which is the write as social media post, which can transform some of your text into a paragraph that is ready to post on social media. Another improvement regarding AI is that we increased the limit for AI transcription. While before was 25 megabytes, now it's 100 megabytes, which roughly is the same as 1 hour of recording, which is basically the perfect timing for most use cases for audio transcription. Lastly, we added an AI transcription entry point in the /comma menu, which basically combines two actions in one. You can upload an image, an audio, or a video, and the transcription for this media will be automatically triggered as soon as they're uploaded to the note. Finally, we wanted to share this new educational content that we created about spaces. A lot of you have been asking about how to use spaces, what's the difference between spaces and other tools in Evernote, like notebooks or stacks. So we created this video that will hopefully explain everything better for you. You can find the link in the description. That's it for April's updates. So thank you very much and talk to you next month.